The F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation combat aircraft, is a marvel of modern engineering designed to perform multiple roles including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance mission. One of its most impressive features is its top speed, which exceeds Mach 1.6 or roughly 1200 miles per hour. Mach 1.6 refers to 1.6 times the speed of sound, which varies with altitude but is approximately 1200 miles per hour at sea level. This velocity propels the F-35 into the supersonic regime, allowing it to operate alongside the fastest combat aircraft in the world. Speed is not just about getting from point A to B rapidly, it's also about tactical advantage. The F-35's high-speed performance allows pilots to minimize time in enemy airspace, reducing exposure to threats. Additionally, the aircraft's stealth features are maintained at high speeds, ensuring that it remains difficult to detect even when pushing the boundaries of its performance envelope.